So watch, right now I'm in focus and Kirsti's blurry, but then when I look at Kirsti, who's in focus. Are you ready? You cut the one. Here we go. I'm in the lead. Kirsti's trying to catch up. Uh-oh, it's looking good. It's looking good. Oh, she missed it by inches. Oh, almost had it. It's gonna be a really difficult one.
Walk of shame.
If Kirsti picks up the spare, she will be in the lead. Oh, it was an ambitious effort.
He's looking to build on his lead. Can he? Okay.
Okay, now we're going to pick up the spare right here. Watch this.
Oh,
that
he
was
got
sweet.
it.
There's the one. That's the one. All right, and now it's Angry Birds. Oh, you almost had it. So we got the Angry Birds version here. 49,000 points. All right, you gotta go pick this one up. I'm gonna keep recording. All right, so now the game that we're playing is horse. And so if you look at the pins, it gives us one pin now. And we have to try to get that, so it's kind of like the basketball game horse. I'll go first.
Got it.
Okay, now this is Kirsti's attempt at horse. You got it. Oh, it turned at the last minute. All right, so we played 4 different games so far. I won the classic one and the horse one. And Kirsti's won this monsters one and Angry Birds. To settle it all, we got 14 minutes left. And we're gonna do Angry Birds for all the marbles. Kirsti's first attempt. I want to make sure we get that on video. Kirsti trying to pick up the spare now. Uh-oh, that's looking good. All right. She got a couple more. And Kirsti's got 18,000 points. Not looking good for Kirsti, guys. I've doubled her score. Uh-oh, that's looking good. Did she get all the pigs though? That's the question. She might be back in the game with that if she did. 50,000 points. Hang on. No, you don't. I think you got them. Yeah, how did that feel?
Good.
And Kirsti just took the lead just like that.
2 frames left. Uh-oh.
Get them all? Oh, we missed one. All right, so we're in the last frame. Kirsti's up. She's a little bit ahead of me, 7,000 points. I'm gonna go first. We're gonna record this thing all the way through.
You got them all.
Comes through in the clutch.
Really?
All right, let's see it. 50,000 points. Kirsti's gonna need one heck of a strike right here. The pressure's on. 165,000 to 122. This right here is for all the marbles, no pressure. That's looking good. Oh,
Where's my
you might have
pig?
still got it. Let's see.
I missed a pig.
Let's see.
I didn't. I missed a pig.
147,000 points.
I missed a pig.
Okay, I think if you pick up the spare, you can still win it. This right here is literally it for the championship. Who's the king of bowling today? That's looking good. It's moving, it's moving. Oh, she got it. Was it enough? Let's see. Was it enough?
Irfan wins.
Oh, the winner. How many points? All good. What'd you get?
73.
She's a bonus winner. She just got the high score. It was 68?
Yeah.
Now it's 73. You're a bonus winner.
Okay, round 2. He's going to for 73. Can he beat my score? Okay.
Well, she beat me at basketball, and apparently she's better at football too.
He's struggling.
230.
You got 50.
I got 50. Okay, now we're gonna keep this rolling. We're gonna do redemption.
Oh gosh.
You got 230. Let's remember that, okay?
Welcome to the NFL 2-minute drill. Do you have what it takes to be an NFL quarterback? Takes the snap. Left, square. Play action pass. He's looking deep. Stop. And open. He drops back. Nice catch. First and goal.
Over here, over here.
All right, so that concludes our adventure. I took bowling, Kirsti took basketball, Kirsti took football, she took skee ball too. I think roughly we were tied for the day. And so it was a pretty good day at, what's it called? Allstar Lanes. Bye.